Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to add the pronouns option on your Instagram. So it will add to the bio your name, near your name or username on your Instagram bio section or Instagram profile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So how to add the pronouns to Instagram? You will see on my profile Mr. The Tech, he or him has been mentioned. This is called pronouns, which is we added to mentioning it's about the gender. You just click on the edit profile and you will see option called pronouns option here. So just need to click this and I just going to cancel this. You will see there is a lot other languages are here. You can just choose it what language that you want. For an example, English, Spanish, French, German, a lot of the language options are here. So you just click this and you can find this pronouns on searching on the Google. So here I just going to type as he, you can see, and him. Okay, so I just choose these two pronouns and you can just add up to 4 like that. And you can also have some option here to show the followers only. You can just turn it off to show everyone, or you just want to show it to your followers, just turn it on and click OK option now. And now also click OK option now. Now it will be on the profile. You will see he or him. So this is how you just add the pronouns on your Instagram profile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable Instagram content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.